Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine and staying home safe. Okay. Do you help your mama in the kitchen? Yes, it's very good. You should help your mama in the kitchen. Okay, come. I will show you how to prepare watermelon punch. You can ask your mama to help you to prepare this watermelon punch. Come, I will show you the ingredients. Okay, this is the watermelon slices, then mint leaves, black salt, lemon juice, black pepper and chaat masala. Okay, for this you will need a jar, mixer jar. Children, you will not be able to grind it. Therefore, you have to ask your mother to help you to grind the watermelon slices. I will put the slices in the jar. Okay. Now, I will take some mint leaves. Fresh mint leaves. Only 2 or 3 leaves. Okay. Now, I will grind it. You also tell your mama to help you to grind this. Okay. Now, have a look. This is done. Okay. Now, for this, I will need a big bowl and a strainer. I will take a strainer and pour the juice. And with the help of a spoon, I will strain the juice. Okay. Now, to this, I will add some chaat masala, some black salt, lemon juice, some black pepper, and I will give a stir to it. Okay. Now I will take a glass and put some ice cubes in the glass. Now I will pour the juice. Now we will decorate the juice with the mint leaves. Look, have a look. The juice is ready. I hope you will like this. It's very easy to prepare. Tell your mama to help you to prepare this. Okay, now bye bye. We will meet tomorrow again for the next class. Till then, bye bye.